This is the fifth generation of M3, and Munich is preparing a similar car to the outgoing E92 model, with a similar bias of sportiness to all-round comfort. But in these carbon-crunched times, the 4.0-liter V8 is dropped in favor of a smaller 3.0-liter six-cylinder. The second and third generations of M3 used BMW's favored six-pots. Cars sources suggest that the new M3 will churn out a similar 450 PS, a nice, round 444 bhp, to the Audi RS5. That's some 30 ponies more than the E92 M3's output. It'll be twin turbocharged. One rumor suggests that Munich is developing a V6 spun from the old V8, but our information suggests a more conventional straight 6 is in the works. It will however be fettled heavily by M division to serve up the characterful, revvy nature demanded by a likely £60,000 price tag. The basic 3 Series is lighter than its predecessor, and we expect the M3 to be even fleeter of foot. A smattering of carbon fiber is likely, cementing the link to the Project I cars. When can I buy the new F30 BMW M3? We hear it'll launch in summer 2014. The Saloon is depicted in our artist's impression above, but two-door coupe and convertible models will follow, likely wearing the M4 badge, as Munich Mole's making its sportier spin-offs even numbered, like the 6 Series. With a usual M-diff and twin-clutch MDCT transmission, the new M3 will be mighty fast, sprinting to 60 miles per hour in less than 5 seconds.